Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Naturally Sydney G for those who are new, and if you are returning, welcome back. It's all love. I'm so glad to have you. In this video, you are going to witness my installment process, witness my first wash, and yeah, of my Sisterlocks, because I have them relocked up, and hands down one of the best decisions I ever made. So I want you guys to go ahead and tune into this video. Let's get right into it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
Oh, did I not lock the door? Oh no, I left it open for the
I'm getting myself set up for the day.
Okay.
It's gonna be a long one. You know, I'm vlogging.
You got any work? Well, yeah, you can put whatever you need in the refrigerator.
Yep.
Do you need a tray or something? Or are you gonna be doing work?
Not yet.
Okay. All right. Let me wash my hands.
I'm still waking up.
Do you have your movie list together?
No.
She didn't take it all you.
I know, right?
Movie shows.
Where I am. Set up shop. Alright guys, so I just left the gym, completing my morning workout, but I wanted to come on here and show you guys the last 2 days I had my establishment with my consult, and we completed my Sisterlocks. So underneath here, I'm going to show you guys my Sisterlocks that I fell in love with, but I have not washed them yet. So after I show you guys and kind of talk to you guys about how my experience went, I'm going to go do my first shampoo and then come back and show you guys that. So yes, we completed my establishment, and I just put these braids in last night so that I could just sleep and not do too much, but I am going to take them out. And where do I start? My establishment, I think I'm saying it right, establishment was amazing. It did take a total of 2 days. The first day we did from 7 to 7, and the second day we did from 7 a.m. and we finished about 10:30. It was a long process. My consult, we had great conversation. We had a great time getting to know each other, and we discussed so many things, and I absolutely love my hair. Okay, I absolutely love my locks. I love them. So because she's definitely an expert, she's an ambassador, I'll count my locks eventually, but we have about 600 locks in my hair. Let me turn around a little bit. We have about 600 locks in my hair, and when I tell you guys, I'm so satisfied. I'm so satisfied with my decision, my investment. I'm just so satisfied. So I did want to just come on and kind of talk to you guys about that, my experience. I do feel that, you know, when you have a consultation, a Sisterlock consultant, you build a relationship with them. You're literally sitting in a chair for hours upon hours upon hours upon hours upon hours upon hours, and you have to talk. So I really got to know her. She's a sister we attend the same congregation, so we had a lot to talk about. She's very knowledgeable, she's very wise, She's definitely a wonderful woman. And I'm just so grateful that, you know, I stumbled upon her and she fit me in her schedule, guys, because she doesn't do installments anymore. Like, she hasn't done an installment in years. She's booked with clients and she squeezed me in, and I'm just so grateful because, Lord, like, thank you. She squeezed me in, and I'm so grateful for the whole experience with her, and I'm just excited about the whole journey. So what I am doing is just taking them down. Look at as I'm taking them down, I'm just loving it. Again, no product. I haven't washed my hair yet. This is literally, I got them finished yesterday, last night. Okay, this is literally the day after. I would have done it last night, but I was tired. Okay, and the girl had to get some sleep. So these are my locks. I absolutely love them. I can't wait. Like, I haven't even like washed them yet, and look at them. Like, I am so already satisfied. Already satisfied. But I know that after I do my first shampoo and my first wash, that I'm gonna even love them even more. Look at them. Look at them. I'm just so in love. So okay, fast forward. I did get a Sisterlocks starter kit. This, I guess, comes with, you know, every installment that she does. She gives you a Sisterlock starter kit, so I didn't have to buy any Sisterlocks shampoo or anything. So in this kit, it gives you kind of instructions. Carefully shampoo your new Sisterlocks. So you want to do bundles, proper shampoo techniques, what's in here, separating your locks, and using only starter shampoo. So because my hair is what they considered, it's not mature, I have to use starter locks until I get through a certain phase, or I have to use starter shampoo until I get through a certain phase in my locks, and then I could use, there's like a aloe shampoo. I think she said I'll be using the aloe shampoo, and there's like a green tea shampoo that the Sisterlocks has. So in here, in my starter kit, Sisterlocks starter kit, there is a mailing card. Let us acknowledge you, Sisterlocks, loving it. So this is basically get your official Sisterlocks birthday certificate. It's free. So apparently you can like fill this out, send it in, and you get your birthday Sisterlock certificate. Which I think I'm gonna do it. You know, why not? I think I'll do it. It gives you the nice little mailing thing to go with it as well. So that's cool. Cool. Also, what's in here is helpful tips for your Sisterlocks. And it goes through Sisterlocks will change your thinking, settling in your Sisterlocks, transformation tips, settling in your Sisterlocks, your daily hair care habits. Very helpful. I'll read over this sometime. And then there's a little card, Sisterlocks. So this is telling you how to, it's called band and bump, it's called something, the technique that you have to use before you shampoo your hair. And this is what I'm going to do in this video too, because I have to do that because I'm about to go shampoo my hair for the first time. But you have to like braid and band. I think that's what it's called. Maybe, I feel like that's what it's called, braid and band. So you have to separate your hair, braid it and band it, and do this technique and shampoo your hair through. It tells you how to do it, and it tells you like the different settling phases and what shampoos that you can use. As I was saying, like right now I have to use the starter shampoo only until I am through the settling phase. So that's cool. Also in here, she provides you with your starter shampoo. And I thought that was cool because I thought I was gonna have to buy some shampoo, which I didn't. Save me a little coin. And then also rubber bands to braid and band your hair. So what I am gonna do real quick is I'm gonna braid and band my hair in the technique that she told me. She told me like 12 to 16 braided bands. So what I'm doing is I'm going to just divide my hair into half to kind of like give me just help me kind of so that my hair's not all over my head. So I'm just gonna do this first, and then look at my little bun. I'm cute, y'all. I love it. So I'm gonna put this in there too. Just kind of do sections and do this. I'm supposed to do this every time I shampoo my hair until I am, I guess, in a mature state. So this will be a process in itself. But I'm just gonna show you guys how I do that real quick, and then I'm going to hop off and come back. So I'll come back following my shampoo. She told me to leave like an inch from my scalp and braid kind of tightly. I braid to the end. And I have to wash my hair in these sections. And like I have to one thing it does tell you, you have to like separate your locks after every shampoo. So I'm gonna try to do that too. I'm going to do that. I have to. And I think that's why, you know, doing the braid and band section is going to be helpful with that, because your hair's going to already be in section. So you braid it, and I think you do something like this where you, yeah, I believe this is it. I hope this is it. So I'm going to do that around my hair. She said like 10, or maybe I think she said 12 to 14. 12 to 14 of these. So I'm gonna do them, and I'm hoping I'm doing it right. So any experts out there, let me know. Don't be mean though. I'm fresh out, okay? I'm freshly locked up. So yeah, she said to like leave that much out and then go like that, braid and band. Well, these are some sturdy rubber bands. She said not to do it too tight, but to do that to where they just come off. Braid and band. Okay, I'm gonna continue this, and then I'm going to go ahead and hop in the shower, come back and show you guys the after the wash. Okay, all right, so I am back, and don't judge me. When you wash your hair, you're supposed to use like a micro towel, fiber towel, and I don't have those yet. So I use my husband's t-shirt. Gotta use what you got, for sure. So now that I have washed my hair using the Sisterlocks starter shampoo twice, you're supposed to wash twice. I have rinsed, repeated, all of that. So now I have to go through and take each of my braid and bonded bundles, and I have to separate each of them. So I don't know how long this is going to take me. It is approximately is approximately 10:50. I'm starting at 10:50, and we'll see how long this takes me. But I'll just go ahead and start by showing you guys what it looks like. So maybe I should have did one in the front. Okay, let me do one in the front. Silly girl. Okay, I'm reusing those rubber bands because why not? They were free. So carefully untake the bundle, and you have to separate each strand or each lock, because this is going to prevent, like, I guess matting or wrong growth or something. I don't know, but I just know I have to do it. She explained it to me, it made sense, so I was okay. So I have the bundle taken down, and here they are. So what I'll do is I'll now go through each strand and separate. Again, I don't know how long this is going to take, but this might help. I'm going to pin the rest of them up because I don't want them getting in the way. So I'll just pin the rest of them up until I get to them. So I have to go through and separate each one lock by lock. So this is the first one. I just wanted to show you guys so that you guys can see how I was instructed to do this. And ooh, okay, so I'm gonna finish and I'll come back in a minute. Hello, welcome back. I am just about done finishing my last bundle, and it is about 11:25. So I want to say it's taken me about 35 minutes to separate all of my lovely locks. That's not a long time. My arms are hurting really bad, but that's not a long time. And yeah, ooh, that hurt. So I'm like on the struggle bus right now, but I'm separating them and I'm almost done. So I can't wait to show you guys my finished hair, separated and all. Ooh. I'm probably gonna wear what they call the freestyle today, so I'm just gonna wear my hair free, let it air dry. Ah! Woo! Woo! So this is what it looks like, all clean, separated. It's still damp, so it still has to dry completely, but this is it. And again, I love it. A couple of things I want to point out about my consultation the last couple of days was we talked so much about hair, natural hair, everything. One thing that my consultant like broke down to me as she was doing like this side of my hair and like the sides of my hair. Mind you, I've been natural since about 2012. When I say natural, no relaxers. I flat iron my hair, but in 2018 I cut all my hair off into a pixie cut. I'm basically starting over, and I put less heat in my hair since then. So this is my hair after for like the last 3-4 years. But no, she was able to it was crazy. It's mind-blowing. That's how you know she's an expert, she's a pro, she's good at what she do, okay? She know. So she was doing my hair and she's like, you have a little heat damage. And she said, it looks like it's like 4 months old. And I'm like, 4 months old? I ain't putting on my hair. But that was literally, as I thought about it more, that was the last time that I got a silk press. So that is mind-blowing to me. Like literally, in February, I got the silk press. She's like February, March, April, May, June. That's 4 months. Like she was able to pinpoint the last time I had put heat to my hair. And that's crazy. That was mind-blowing. I'm like, she's definitely an expert and good what she does. She knows she not. She know. Okay. But with all that said, I learned so much about my hair. Again, my hair is fine with high density. I've always known that my hair is fine for sure, but it has high density, and I'm loving it. So let me go ahead and get cute or whatever and play in my hair and stuff, and then see y'all later. I just wanted to show you guys how it looked. So, look at him. Oh, I just love it. Peace.